Welcome to the EDUvelopment Platform. The EDUvelopment online platform has 3 pillars that work in conjunction to give the learner the maximum benefit of career vision, planning and preparation. After registration, the learner will receive an email with a link to log in. You can now log into the training platform on eduvelopment.com and change your password. Let's begin. Pillar 1. The first step is to do the assessment, which will be your guide to possible career paths you can follow that fits your unique personality, skills and abilities. On the left of the page, you will find a tab named Assessments. By clicking on Assessments, you will be redirected to your first assessment called Shadow Match. This assessment can be completed at your own pace, after which you will receive feedback from where you can determine what career paths will be the most suitable for you. Pillar 2. By clicking on Career Guidance, you will have access to a wide variety of tertiary institutions including universities, colleges, private academies and many more. Under Institutions, you will find all the relevant information to help you with location, programs offered and much more. Within Occupations, you will find relevant information about any occupation and also a list of tertiary institutions that covers that specific degree, diploma or program that will enable you to pursue this occupation. The Bursary section contains the latest information on available bursaries. A very valuable tool, especially for grade 9 learners, is the Subject Chooser. This tool lets you select your subjects and according to those subjects will give you all the career fields and specific occupations within the fields that you can study with a specific subject combination. If your preferred subject choices are, for instance, life orientation, maths, first and second language, and these 3 elective subjects, the system will populate with all the possible career fields and will also give you the number of available career possibilities within that field. If changes in subject choices are made, the system will automatically update the possible careers. The Course Chooser is a section where you can fill in your current subjects and marks, which will then give you a comprehensive list of course options at the various institutions you can follow. Within these institutions, you will have access to all the available courses, given your specific subjects and marks, as well as detailed information on a specific course, requirements, and possible occupations linked with the program. By clicking on the Place to Study tab, a page will open where you can search for and look at general information about most tertiary institutions in South Africa. In the Video Library section, you will find many informative videos about different institutions. Simply click on an institution's name. In the Occupation section, you will find videos about different occupations and a day in the life of, to give you more insight into a specific occupation or job. The search function makes it easy to navigate to any occupation you would like to research. Pillar 3 is your 12-month Skills Development Program. EDUvelopment's short courses are specifically designed to fit into a learner's busy schedule. Short courses are made available at a rate of 2 per week. These short courses have a progress bar to track your progress and follow a chronological flow to upskill you in soft and hard skills for your future. All courses have video material and fun activities to help you learn. By doing these fun courses and activities, you will have learned something new and exciting to equip you for your future.